So it's Wednesday, May 30th. This is our Zen garden. You hear the little birds chirping. And I am patiently awaiting the UPS man to bring me my Toro lawn striper. I've been checking the security cameras and everything, and he's not anywhere in the neighborhood. So my grass is ready to go for striping. That's a little bit long right now, and I've been trying to be patient not to cut it. It's looking good. We got a little bit of rain this morning, so that's always good. So while I was out, this happened. It's just a little replay from my camera. Nothing like lawn mail to make your day. This is my friendly UPS guy delivering my Toro lawn striper, which we're going to be putting together, demoing, and I'll give you my thoughts. 2 tears in the bucket. There she is in all her glory. My Toro lawn striper. We're going to put this bad boy together and assemble it, and we're going to give her a try out. That's what you get in the package. You got your roller and your supports. So we're going to go to town. Alright, we're going to get started assembling this thing. Doesn't look like it's too bad. It's going to be pretty simple. Get a screwdriver, a little bit of patience, you should be alright. Got everything laid out here. I'm going to whip through this really quick. Need a Phillips screwdriver. So this part of the assembly is pretty easy. It's just basically putting on those 2 brackets right there, and then you have a crossbeam that goes underneath, and we're going to attach that next. Alright, there she is, all assembled, ready to go. Wasn't very difficult. Just need a Phillips screwdriver, a little bit of time. The most time-consuming thing about putting this thing together is putting the damn sand in the roller. If you can get dry sand, I highly recommend it, because if you're trying to use a funnel and get that sand in there, it's going to take you forever. Keeps getting clogged. Got to keep pushing it down. So, I don't know. Dry sand, or make sure you set some time aside, because it's going to be a long time before you're done. Alright, I'm going to get started mowing this grass with the Toro lawn striper. I don't know if I'm going to have enough time to get all this lawn. It's a massive lawn. My lawn might not be that big, but it's thick. And that's what really matters, right, ladies? let's first mow with the Toro striper. You can definitely see the stripes. I did bag this mow because I am getting a little bit of disease on my lawn, which will be another video. And it's definitely a little bit of a workout. You're towing around an extra 30 pounds probably with that load, but so far I'm liking the results. So it's definitely a little extra effort to get that thing working. It's not really maneuverable that good in corners and stuff, and I did get a pretty good workout on it. You can see I'm getting all beaten up like Scottie Pippen in the fourth quarter, but other than that, easy to use, easy to assemble. Stripes are looking good. We'll check it out on the closed circuit TV, see how it looks up there, and we'll come out here later when the sun changes positions and check it out again. America, I love this country. Alright, looking at my lawn through the, well, we call it the security camera, but it's really the lawn camera. So I can admire my lawn while I'm sitting at my computer. And that's Sadie over there barking. We'll introduce you in just a second. But this is the cut with the Toro striper, and you can definitely see the cuts. I do like it. I did just a simple back and forth pattern for this time, but those stripes right there, they look good. So it's a little bit later on in the day, and this is the view of the lawn. You can see my shadow, but it doesn't look too bad. I like it. Okay, so my final thoughts on the Toro lawn striper. It was really easy to put together. Took basically 5 minutes to hook the attachment arms on, but filling it up with sand is quite a pain in the butt. But whatever, it works well. It's got good stripes, and for $100, I'll take it. So if you like what you saw today, subscribe. If you want to bash me down there in the comments, go ahead, I can handle it. So I'll be making more videos. If you want to watch them, watch them. If you don't, that's okay too. Alright? You found Grassy Ass, and thank you for joining me.